Welcome back. When you are delivering your product to your customer, you may want to use a membership site platform in order to do that. If you scroll down to the bottom or click the Integrations tab, you're going to see Membership Software Integrations. You're going to need to turn this on. Now, there are a number of platforms available to you in order to use. Each one has its own set of instructions that you're going to want to follow in order to connect your site to the membership site platform. So what we're going to do now is we're going to connect one membership site platform, which is called Wishlist Member. Now, it's not the only one that's available. We are going to use it though for the sake of this example. And when you click on Wishlist Member, you're going to see 4 fields that you are going to need to connect to your membership site platform in order to make sure that your customer is delivered into your membership. Now, in your membership site platform, you're going to need to set up the product inside of that platform. What we're going to do is we're going to go through that setup process. We're going to create a membership level. We're then going to click Apply. Now, this is not a full-blown tutorial on how to use Wishlist Member. Therefore, we are going to go through the very basics of this process to make sure that we are set up in order to receive WarriorPlus customers. What we're now going to do is to go to the Integrations tab. You're then going to choose the generic provider. You are going to turn on the generic provider. Now, once you turn on the generic provider, you're going to see the stop keeping unit number that you will need in order to put into WarriorPlus. You're going to copy that number and head back to WarriorPlus. You're also going to need the post to URL. So you're going to need to copy this entire URL. You're going to need to head back to WarriorPlus. And you're going to paste that URL in this area. You're then going to need the API key from your Wishlist Member account. That's going to be in your Advanced Options area, and what you're then going to do is click on API. Once you get the API, you're going to copy that API into this area. And then the final thing to do is going to be to write in the place where your Wishlist Member URL is installed. You're going to want to make sure to use the secure web address when you write in the Wishlist Member URL. And you will then have all of the information for an individual that makes purchase to your product to be added to your Wishlist Member membership on your WordPress site. Now, once again, every integration is going to be different. We just follow the instructions to use Wishlist Member. If you choose to use a different integration, you are going to need to follow those instructions completely. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.